Home remedies for hair loss that actually work. Do you have any problems with hair loss? Losing 50 to 100 strands is a normal thing and you don't have to worry about anything, according to the dermatologists. But, if you experience hair loss more than that and it becomes visible and there are some bare patches on your hair, then you or that person suffers from alopecia. A lot of men experience complete baldness in their 30s. Baldness is usually caused by some hormonal disorders, stress and improper diet. In this post we are going to show you some homemade natural remedies, which will be of great help in encouraging your hair to grow again. Here are 6 homemade all-natural remedies, which can help you with hair loss. Onion and garlic. A lot of natural foods you are using every day in your kitchen can be very useful for making all-natural remedies, which can help you with preventing hair loss and boosting your hair growth. In order to promote hair growth we need to increase the production of collagen in our bodies. And the production of collagen can be enhanced by sulfur. As we all know, garlic and onion are the natural's richest sources of sulfur. That's why onion and garlic are used in many conventional medications for stimulating hair growth. Here's how to make the garlic onion homemade remedy for hair loss. First, chop the onion and crumple it in order to squeeze its juice. Then, apply it on your scalp and leave it on for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wash it off with water. Then, crush 4 to 5 garlic cloves and mix them with some coconut oil. Put the mixture in a bowl and apply it on medium heat until it starts to boil. Simmer for 3 minutes and leave it to cool. When it is cooled, apply the mixture on your scalp and massage it gently. Repeat this method 3 times in 1 week, until you have great results. Coconut. One of the most beneficial natural products for your hair is coconut. Coconut can be of great help if you want to keep your hair in great condition and if you want to promote hair growth. The coconut milk is full with healthy nutrients for your hair, proteins, fats and minerals, such as iron and potassium. If you use coconut constantly, your hair will be stronger, thicker and you won't have to worry about hair loss ever again. The coconut oil is also very beneficial and extremely useful for strengthening your hair. The coconut oil can affect your hair, in a good way, from root to the top. If you apply coconut oil on your hair for some time, you will disable the hair loss for good. Here's what you need to do. Chop 1 coconut and draw out the coconut milk. Then, you need to mix the coconut milk with a little bit of water and apply this mixture on the places on your scalp where you can notice the hair loss. Leave the mixture on your hair overnight and wash it off the next morning. Henna. Henna is very useful in strengthening your hair and making it healthy. Henna was used in hair loss remedies by the Asian people for a long time. If you combine henna with mustard, you will improve its benefits. Here's the all-natural henna recipe for hair loss. First, make a mixture of 250 ml of mustard and 60 grams of henna. Then, place this mixture on a heat and leave it until the henna leaves are fully blazed. Remove it from heat and let it cool. Once the mixture is cool enough, you can put it in a container with a lid. Now, you can apply it on your hair. Here's another option. You can also make a pack. This pack includes 1 pack of dry powder of henna leaves and a large portion of crud. These henna packs are extremely useful for the hair growth and they prevent hair loss very efficiently. You should apply this mixture on your hair and leave it on until it's dry. When it's dry, you can wash it off with cool water. The henna packs will provide extra shine for your hair. Hibiscus. In the small village Kerala, in India, people are combining coconut oil with some hibiscus for thicker hair. The hibiscus has beneficial properties and it's extremely useful if you want to heal and refresh your hair. Hibiscus is also very efficient in protecting your hair from turning gray and helps you get rid of the annoying dandruff. You can use the hibiscus leaves all the time and your hair will be safe from baldness. Hibiscus homemade natural recipe for hair loss. You need 2 flowers of hibiscus. Mix the hibiscus flowers with sesame or coconut oil, and then put the mixture in a blender and blend well. Apply the pasty mixture on the scalp or your hair. Leave it for 2 to 3 hours and then you can wash it off with cold water. Amia. Amia is extremely helpful and beneficial for people who are really vulnerable to baldness. This is because amia is loaded with vitamin C and cell reinforcements. You can apply amia on your scalp or your hair, but you should also know that amia is extremely useful for your entire body, because, as we mentioned, it's loaded with vitamin C. Amia all-natural homemade remedy for hair loss. First, you need to crush the amia in order to extract its juice or buy amia powder in your local health store. Then, mix 2 tablespoons of amia juice or powder with the same amount of lime juice. Mix it well and apply it on your scalp or your hair. Leave it until it's dry and then wash it off with some cold water. Egg. As we mentioned earlier in this post, sulfur is extremely beneficial for hair growth, because it promotes the production of collagen in your body, and we all know how important collagen is for hair loss. Eggs contain high amounts of sulfur, proteins, minerals iodine, phosphorus, iron, zinc and selenium. Eggs are extremely beneficial for hair growth, especially if you combine them with olive oil. Here's what you need to do: mix 1 egg white with 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Mix it well until you get pasty mixture that can be applied on your scalp or your hair. Leave the mixture on your scalp for 15 to 20 minutes and then you can wash it off with cool water. Well, that's it folks. These are the 6 homemade all-natural remedies for hair loss. If you experience any problems with hair loss, or if you wish to improve hair growth and you want to make your hair thick and shiny, then this is the right post for you. We really hope you enjoyed this post, and if you liked it, please share it with your friends and family. Thanks.